But basically, with the way people were doing it, we're just prying back on it.
Yeah. You could go, you almost,
How about this?
yeah, see if you can get. It's actually a good thing that it won't come out.
Yeah. I mean, no surprise. I didn't expect it to come out easy.
Yeah. Do you have enough room to get this in there? That rounded in and just kind of pry it out with that. Yeah, that's.
I think it's bending on you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's oh, I see. It's one of these that's got a bit in it. That's what it is. There.
I don't want to score up the shaft too much.
Right. Right.
Yeah. Oh, I see what you got there.
I don't know if I can get it. Oh, shit. I almost need something short enough to go in like this and then tap it back. You know what I mean?
It's almost giving up the ghost there. She's almost out.
What's that?
She's almost out.
Oh my god. Okay.
What a bear this was. Woo!
Okay, here's some clean paper towel.
Holy moly.
You want to wipe that shaft off.
Yep. I'm gonna put some brake cleaner on it.
line in the arse.
Mm-hmm. Well, Terry, you got it most of the way, so hats off, man. Thank you.
We would have figured it out somehow.
What do you think? Ready?
Ready.
All right. Now, what I read online is it's best to... One guy online actually put black RTV around the edge. And I'm like, I don't know about that. Especially since as hard as it was to get off, you know what I mean? Another guy said just to put just a light coating of just tranny fluid on here. So what are your thoughts? Any
Well, the RTV would try to keep it from leaking, but if you got it into the transmission, you know what I mean?
right?
That could go into the filter.
I'm fine just putting what do you call it? Transmission fluid on it. Yeah, this is the same ring.
Is it?
Yep.
Okay.
I got a couple bottles of tranny fluid here.
Oh, do you?
Yep.
Okay. I used to have some.
And I don't think do you think there's a light coating around the seal? Wouldn't be a bad idea.
It wouldn't be a bad idea.
It's already on there, so.
Would not be a bad idea.
All right, so it's pretty much all lubed up everywhere here. All right. Oh, you know what? We should have that block. We probably could have used that. I'm sorry.
Okay. Let me get it. Let me get it.
Okay. Oh, shit. I don't feel like I'm centered. What the hell am I doing here? Okay, try it. Is it on there flat?
It's not. It's like this side over here needs to go on a little bit more. Okay, now tap it. Okay.
Watch your thumb.
Yeah. Okay.
For those watching, it's a 2-inch pipe with a coupler on the end to make it a little bit bigger.
Okay, hang on a second here.
I figure if I can get, oh yeah, I can get my fingernail underneath.
Right at the bottom,
right here
right?
at 7 o'clock.
Yep.
I can get my fingernail
Okay.
underneath. And we'll just do this.
Yeah, that's probably.
Or better yet, I'll just do this. What do you think?
As far as I can tell, it's seated. You want to double check it?
I'll do one more ring around the rosy here. I'm just trying to jam my fingernail in there.
Yeah.
On the left side, it seems okay, and on the right side, it seems okay.
Okay.
Can't get my fingernail in there. All right. So while we're on the theme of transmission, we might as well just keep going with the torque converter and get that all in there. And then we'll continue running the wire gizmo, and then after that, I think we're ready to start putting the engine in.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know that there's anything else we need to do. Ideally, if I'd have gotten the pieces in time, and I may actually have them. Actually, I think I do have them. Actually, you know what? Actually, I do have them. Before we put the engine in, I got a brand new AC kit that includes the accumulator thing there, or dryer, whatever that thing's called. So while this is all out, it'd be easiest to change it then, now, and then there's some other pieces it came with. But I'd like to do what we're gonna do with the AC first, and then put the and oh, thank you, good catch. Does it? It doesn't matter where this goes on, right?
I'm not sure. Are there any not? I think it just clicks on there, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Unless there's little.
Shit.
Should I wake up for PVC?
Maybe. No, I think I got it. Oh, or do I?
It's actually supposed to be a sill retainer, I believe.
Handle up. Let's see here.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's not loose, so that's a good thing.
Okay.
And what do you think? Your opinion?
Let's feel it. It feels like it's on there as much as it can because it's got the seal in front of it. You know what I mean?
Sure. All right. Well, let's head to the torque converter. So what I read was you fill up the new one with 1.5 quarts.
Okay.
And then you put assembly lube on here, so that when it fits into the crankshaft,
It'll slide in.
It'll slide in. So I don't know how much oil is.
It didn't seem like it had much in it. Oh.
The other thing is the videos I watched for this said that when you're putting it in, you'll feel 2 clunks. The first clunk is it going on the big splines, and the second clunk is this engaging
Into the pump.
into the pump. And if this doesn't engage, then you know it needs to come out until it engages.
Right.
And then I think it just ATF went on the ins of this, just goes around on this. So let me go ahead and carry this outside, and then I'll get the new one.
You got it?
Yep.
It's a hefty thing, huh?
Just try. ATF is going to get all over this area anyway. It ain't going to matter. This whole thing's going to fill up. The air is gradually purging out of there. So I didn't have the camera rolling, of course, for putting that in. Oh. So I'm just going to do a little narration. Okay. So we set the torque converter down right here with the opening pointed up. I put in a quart of transmission fluid, and then I just tilted it up. It was laying on here, so it was easy just to tilt up and lift up and just push on there. Now there's 2 clicks. There's 1 click you'll feel from it engaging the bigger splines, and then the second click you feel is the little, in the tube, there's a little slot going across. That engages other splines deeper into the transmission. What is that, the shaft splines? Or
it's the pump.
The pump?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's engaged. So you have to feel 2 clicks. 1 for the spline and 1 for the cutout to engage the pump. So it's in there. We're spinning it. We're pushing on it. It's not going to go any further in. I can't lift it up to move it around. And it's recessed about 1 inch back from the bell housing, which is where it should go. The last thing I'm going to do is put some assembly lube on this right here, so that this engages the crank. Yeah, nice and lubed up. You can be very generous with that. All right, so torque converter changed.